Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your investment account with Stash step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Stash app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it has been installed. Tap on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Review and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap on Continue to proceed to the next step. Provide your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and social security number. Complete the address section, ensuring all details are accurate. Answer any questions related to your employment status and income. Once all information is entered, tap on Submit to create your account. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Click on the link to activate your account. Log back into the Stash app using your registered email and password. Now, navigate to the Investment Account section in the app. Select the option to activate your investment account. Complete any additional identity verification as prompted. Link your bank account for funding your investment account. Enter the required details, including your bank name and account number. Confirm the link by following any verification steps provided by Stash. Once your bank account is linked, select the amount you wish to invest. Review your investment selections and make any adjustments if necessary. Finally, confirm your investment to complete the activation process. Your investment account with Stash is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.